In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in ClickUp. Efficiently assign tasks to team members. Let's get you from sign-in to a clearly assigned, prioritized task with a due date in just a few minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. Click Login, then choose Continue with Google. Select your Google account to sign in. If your organization uses another method, simply sign in the usual way. Once you're in, you'll land in your workspace. Next, navigate to the space where you want to manage work. Think of a space as a container for a department, project, or theme. Open the space that holds the work you're assigning, then go into the specific list where the task lives or where you want to create it. Lists are where individual tasks are organized, so picking the right one keeps everything tidy and searchable. Click Add Task. Give the task a clear, action-oriented name so the assignee immediately understands what needs to happen. Clarity up front reduces back and forth later. With the task open, set its urgency. Click Priority and choose the level that reflects impact and time sensitivity. Urgent is for critical blockers, high for time-sensitive work, normal for standard tasks, and low for nice-to-have items. Pick the lowest level that still gets the job done. This helps your team trust the signal. Now adjust the task's status to show where it sits in your workflow. Click the current status, typically To Do. If your workflow includes a prioritized status and this is something you want elevated, switch to prioritized. Use statuses in a consistent way so boards and reports stay meaningful across the team. Add a deadline so expectations are clear. Click Due Date and choose the day the work should be completed. If timing matters, set the time as well. When choosing dates, leave enough buffer for reviews or dependencies. Future, you will thank you. Finally, assign the work. Click Assignee, search or scroll to the teammate responsible, and select them. If ownership is shared, you can assign multiple people, but in most cases, a single directly responsible individual keeps accountability crystal clear. After selecting the assignee, you'll see their avatar on the task, confirming it's assigned. That's it. You've created the task, set its priority, moved it to the right status, added a due date, and assigned it to the right person. The assignee will be notified in ClickUp, and you can always return to adjust details as the work evolves. Stay consistent with your naming, priorities, and statuses, and your team's workload will stay visible and manageable.